Yes. Yesterday we are discuss about the classification of the mollusca with the examples. Now mollusca are the number of the mollusks act as a food source, and some have the medicinal value. There the shells are the used in the decoration and the calcium sources. So one by one we are try to go to the understand what they have the economic value. Mollusks are the general importance within the food chains and as the members of the ecosystems. Many bivalves and the cephalopods are the source of the food for many cultures and therefore important role in the fishing industry of the many countries. When the fishing is takes place, at that time is the such a bivalves are the collected by the peoples in the number of the nomadic people they are feeds on them because the rich in protein source is there, calcium source is there, so they have the well demandable also. In addition to their economic value, food mollusks are also used to make the jewelry. The most notable and valuable example of which is the pearl jewelry. The pearl formation also takes place by this the molluscan bivalve. So these are most important and the highly incomable production or the highly incomes they get the high income there from the mollusk. While the clams, oysters, snails, squid frequently contribute to many constant economic as the food sources, the shells of various mollusks have also been used as a form of throughout the history. Mollusks are of the great important various ways. Certain species are of the direct or the indirect commercial and even medicinal importance to the humans. Many gastropod species, for example, are necessary intermediate host for parasitic flatworms, class Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes, such are such as the species that cause the schistosomiasis in humans. There some are the parasitic. To complete their life cycle, the mollusca are the act as the intermediate host. So they have the parasitic mode of life and they help such a way. Most bivalves contribute to the organic turnover in the intertidal zones of the marine and freshwater because they feed filter feeders. They filter up to the 40 liters, that the 10 gallons of the water per hour. How much water they are the filter? The 40 liters in the 10 gallons. There is a 4 liter 1 gallon is there. So the 10 gallons they can filtered within a 1 hour. This filtering activity, however, may also the seriously interfere with the various population of the invertebrate larvae, plankton, on suspended and the free swimming in the water. One species, the zebra mussel, that is the bivalve having the zebra-like zigzag mode of the lining, zebra mussel, that the Dreissena polymorpha is regarded as the particularly harmful exotic invader carried from Europe in ship ballast water. Zebra mussels were taken to the Great Lakes in 1986. They, they have caused the millions of the dollars in the commercial damage by clogging the water pipes of the power plants and the cooling systems. They are driving many native freshwater bivalve species to the extinction. Okay. Mollusks are the indirectly harmful to the man, but most of them are beneficial. Some are the harmful species, but some are the beneficial. The harmful mollusks are the slug and the sheepworms. Slugs are the injurious in gardens and the cultivation. They not only eat the leaves but also they destroy the plants by cutting their roots and stems. The slugs are the cut the roots and damage the plants. Peredo, a sheepworm. damages wooden parts of ship that damage the ships. Many molluscans are the great source of the food for the man in many parts of the world. China is a leader in worldwide mollusk catch that reached an 80% global share in the 2010. France is the industry leader in the leader in the oh sorry. Mollusks are indirectly harmful to the man, but the most of the beneficial. Okay, many mollusks are the great source of the food. The France is the industry leader into the European catch. The pearl industry has become vital part of the some countries' economics, and the significant sums of the money are allocated to the monitoring of the health of the mollusk produced on the farms. Large quantity of clams, oysters, and mussels are the eaten in the uh, Far Europe and the America. Okay. So these the clams are the like the same like bivalves, oyster, clams, and the mussels. They are the same one. That's शिंपला मराठीमध्ये आपण शिंपला म्हणतो शिंपला. Oysters are the regarded as the delicacy. Shell of the freshwater mussels is used in the button industry. That the shell used for the button industry. The shell of the oyster are mixed with the tar for making roads in America. In America, the shell is used to the construction of the roads. Shells in certain parts of the world are also used for making the ornaments. You also observe the some of the curtain toys which is made from the shells, indoor decorations. Some oysters also make the valuable pearls. For example, the pearl oysters. Some pearls are used for the making the jewelry. Moti. Pearls means moti. Some animals, including in this phyla, are used to eat in some countries. Their shell are also used in the art of and the craft industries. There are some benefits of the mollusk which are listed as the under. The many mollusks, including the mussels, oysters, clams, and the cephalopods, are the fish for the food and support small scale sustenance fisheries in developing countries. They act as a food, and so the sustenance of the fishery in development countries. Various species in this phylum are the very important to the human being. Clams and the mussels are an important food source in the different parts of the world. Octopus, squids, the whelks, oyster, and the scallops are also eaten by the human beings. In some countries, these large animals also are eaten by the people. They form the important part of the fisheries and the agricultural industry. Oysters are the nutritious as they contain the vitamin A and B minerals and the appreciable amount of the glycogen and protein. So they are highly demandable because this is the large source of vitamins and the glycogen and protein material. Pearl oyster produces pearl, considerably the highly valuable jewel within its shell. Most precious pearls are found in the pearl oysters at the genus Spinactata. The genus Spinactata can produce the high quality jewels are there for the pearls. The Chang fishery, a great source of the revenue in India, is based on the turbinal gastropods, the Janus pyrum. This is another gastropod, Janus pyrum. Its shell of the which is called the chang. Changs are used to the trumpet in the temples and the manufacture of the bangals. Bangles manufacture. Changs म्हणजे शंख. आपण शंख वाजवतो ना मंदिरामध्ये तो Janus pyrum that used for to the Chang fishery and is the well demanded. The thick shells having the lustrous pearly pearly layer are the valued in the manufacture of the buttons, the brooches, and the little objects. The shells of the Cybium, Dolium, Murex are made into the useful articles like the lamp stands, lamp shades, etc. Tools, utensils, and the objects of the delight have been formed from the gastropodon shells. Some objects, tools, also made up from that because this the harden and they make the sharpen, so that the tools also used by these the gastropodon shells. The Nautilus shells is much used for the decoration art and from the many other useful purposes. Many shells go into the making of toys. Some are the polished and also sold as the curious like the calcareous operculum of the turban shells. Dead shells drifted ashore at the estuaries by the current, subfossil deposits in lakes, and the broken shells of the surf beaches from the raw material for the super quality line, which is used in the every type of the Mazarni constructions and the whitewashing them buildings. For the whitewash, lime as like calcium source of that the lime is used for. The good quantities of shells are used in the carbide and the cement manufacture. It also is in a carbide and the cement manufacture. Many gastropods like the squids and the small octopus are used as a bait for the catching the fish. After the catching fish, the small species of the squids and the octopus also used as a fish bait. Then the gastropodon shells were used as the source of money by the various native races as the tribes, red Indian tribes of American used as the common, the dendalium as a money. Some gastropods like the Nucella and the Murex were the sources of the Tyrian purple or dye obtained from their juices. Ink or the cuttlefish provide the rich brown pigment called the sepia used as the by artist. That the colored, that the cyan color or the blue color, purple color, or that's brown color, which is getting from that these cuttlefishes. Yesterday we are seeing that they have the ink gland, and that's the ink gland have the various colors there in the different species, and these colors are used in arts. These are natural colors, so to use in the arts. The fossil cephalopods have a medicinal importance among the red Indians of the Montana and the Wyoming. They collect the preserved fossil, the amnites, and keep them as a medicines. Amnites and keep them medicines. The credit of the jet propulsion, only the recently discovered by man, goes to the cephalopods who have been using it for the millions of years. Some gastropods like the land slugs and the snails cause damage to the gardens, orchids, greenhouses, and mushroom beds by feeding upon the succulent parts of seeding and the matter. These are the harmful ones. They can disrupt the gardens or the lawns, completely damage the lawns and the orchids and the mushroom beds by disrupting them. The shipworm pterodo, a bivalve mollusks born into the wooden boats and the ships, causing the millions of dollars of damage to the wooden structure. These the pterodo bivalve bored into the ship wood and the damaged the ships. Some gastropods cause damage to the other mollusks, like the marine snail. The Euryslophrix causes the serious losses of oyster industry by drilling the oyster shells. Some are the another gastropods are the harmful toward the oysters. They can drill them and kill. The some predaceous and the carnivorous mollusks cause the destruction of the fishery industry. That the carnivorous depends on the small fishes also. Snails have the important form from the medicinal point of view, as they serve as the intermediate of the flatworms like the fasciola and the cystosome. So this is the medicinally important because they are used in a uh, life cycle as a biological vector. So the medicinal importance, what kind of the medicinal importance of the mollusk? The deadly venomous of some bone shells are the today being used to the help victims of strokes and the heart disease. Their venoms are used in strokes and the heart disease and to produce the revolutionary new drug for the chronic pain control or to the control of the chronic pain controls and the heart disease. An extract from the hard calm of the cohort, that is the Mercenaria mercenaria, is a strong growth inhibitor of the cancers in mice. They can control the mice and they inhibit the growth of the cancer cells. It is called the mercenin, after the calm's scientific name. Then Paulin, a drug made from the abalone juice, is an effective inhibitor of the penicillin-resistant strains of bacteria. This the drug which is made from that the mollusk colonin, and it's the inhibitor of the penicillin resistance, like the strains of bacteria. The ground and the processed oyster shells, the Olympia oysters, the Osteria pontile are used as a calcium supplements both for humans and animals. Their shell powder is as a source of calcium to provide the humans and the animals. Oyster juice has been found to have the antiviral properties and may be made into the drug eventually. That's the antiviral property. So that's the use in a drugs. The threads that some mussels, Tomatidae, used to attach themselves to rocks, fires, and the other hard surfaces are being tested as the possible glue in surgery. Whatever the threads are found in this animal, they are used in a surgery. These are called the byssal threads. From the Latin word, the byssus, which means the fine lining, which is the silky, like the fine threads of the many mollusks, that the Mytilus udulus. So the for the thread is in the surgery that's getting from this the mollusk. The cement of the carrier shells, the Genophoridae, is being studied for the use as the possible cement for the bone fractures in bone plasters and the fractures. Also, internally they are the use as like this the cementing material. The carrier shells are the camouflage experts of the mollusk, but they attach the all kinds of the objects, shells, rocks, pieces, or coral sponge, bottles caps to their shells, so they look like a little pile or the trash on the bottom of the sea, a threat of to avoid the being eaten. In Vietnam, in Vietnam, traditional medicine has a wide variety of the uses of shells. Powder oyster shell is taken to treat acid indigestion, fatigue, and the stop hemorrhage. Acidic आपण म्हणतो ना, acidity. So in the acid indigestion, the fatigue and the stop hemorrhage. It is also the sprinkled over open wounds and the boils. There are also powder used on the wounds for the healing the wounds. Cuttlefish bones are used as the remedy for the rickets, which is caused by the lack of vitamin C. If the vitamin C is caused by the rickettsia, there's the bones also used. A healing agent in the treatment of the gastrointestinal troubles. Suppose the in gastrointestinal troubles, they are healed by the powder of the cell. A local anti-hemorrhagic, that is the stop the internal bleeding, and as in the antiseptic is the cases of the inflammation of the middle ear. In ear, stop the antiseptic as this. The flat shell of the abalone with its the iridescent inside is powdered and taken orally to improve the vision, to remove the keratosis, that the cataracts, motibindu, and to improve the such conditions as the hemerolopia. There you can see at night well, but hardly at all in the daytimes. Powder pulse from the oysters are used as the topical eye medicine, and it has been scientifically proven to have some anti-inflammatory effects on the painful condition called the conjunctivitis. डोळे येते आपण म्हणतो त्या डोळे येतात किंवा डोळे लाल होणं त्याच्यासाठी हे मेडिसिन्स त्या ठिकाणी पावडर पल्प पासून बनवलं जातं त्यात अँटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी. The slugs and the snails are terrestrial mollusks which have similar morphology, except that the slugs, unlike snails, have no obvious shells, although the some species possesses the partial or the internal vestigial shell, widely distributed around the world. The largest species of the slugs in the United Kingdom, the ashy grey slug, the Limx cineregetus, can exceed the 25 centimeter in length. For the centuries, snails and to a lesser extent slugs have been used both as a food and as a treatment for a variety of medicinal conditions. In some part of Italy, the common garden slug, the Arian hortensis, is sometimes followed whole as a treatment for the gastritis to stomach ulcers. So in America, slugs are not thought to be a solid live in this way, but a recipe for the slug syrup. Here is the slug is the solid, but in America, slug are not solid and make a recipe for the slug syrup. They make the juice syrup made up from the with sugar be used for the treatment for ulcer, bronchitis, and asthma. Okay. So these the common diseases which found people asthma, dama, bronchitis, and the ulcers are there. Snail and slug slime have been used sporadically as the skin treatments and since the time of the ancient Greeks. It has recommended that the use of the crushed nails to relieve the inflamed skins and some 20 years ago. The potential of snail slimes was noted by the Chilean snail, the Elysinia, farmers who found that the skin lesions healed quickly with no scars. When they handled snails for the French food market, snails cream with the 70% snail extract, the sooths, regenerates, and the heal skin. The snail slimes best products are the claimed to be the new miracle face fixer in the US, where they are used to the treat acne. Acne येतात तुम्हाला ते. The reduce the pigmentation and the scarring and the combat wrinkles. It has been also reported slugs are used in the Italy to treat the dermatological conditions. Mucus collected from the slug is rubbed onto the skin to treat the dermatitis, inflammations, the collages, and the acne, and to promote the wound healing. In addition, in the special ritual slug, themselves are used for the treatment of the warts. The mucus from the live slug is first rubbed onto the wart, and then the slug is hung out in the sunshine to dry out and die. It is believed that once the slug has dried up, the wart should as well. The use of the slugs for the treatment of warts is not, however, confined to Italy. The records exist of the use of the slug slime in the United States and the United Kingdom, some of which recommended that the slime be collected certain phases of the moon to ensure the maximum effect. So these some are the edible mollusks. The first one is the edible oysters. From the ancient times, the Romans and the Greeks used the oyster as the main dish in their meals. The red Indians were great oyster eaters. The maximum amount of oysters, the meats are collected from the two genera, that the Ostrea and the Carostria, which belong to the family Ostridae and the class Bivalvia. In Japan, United States, and the Europe, over billion pounds of the oyster meat are sold each year. In Europe, Austria, the Eudilus and the Carostreca angulata are the very popular among the oyster eaters. The Virginia oysters, the Carostria virginica is harvested from the southern Canada to Mexico. In the brackish water, the Crassotreca lives and the gametes are the shed into the open water, but Austria lives in the clean water with the higher salinity. The oyster fishery is related to the conditions of the substratum suitable for the attachment, depth of the water, and the salinity of the medium. The fisherman used the long-handled pair of the tongues for the detachment from the substratum. Modern travels with the motor-driven breakers are used to the many parts of the world. In India, though the molluscan species are the varied and plentiful, but the small number of the poor population in the coastal area utilize the mollusk as the food. In India, they are the very some nomadic peoples are the used as the food only. The edible oysters are the found along the seashores, estuaries, and the backwaters where the substratum is the suitable for the attachment. The Indian edible oysters, the Carostreca, the Cuculata, found on the intertidal rocky coasts, backwater oysters, the Carostreca madrasarens found in the estuaries and the backwaters, and the disc oysters, Carostreca, of the coastal areas. Oysters are the sold in the markets alive on after the freezing. They are alive or the freezing. In both states, they are the sold out. The edible clams. The edible clams are the harvested through the out of the world, and its meat is the source of food since the prehistoric times. Major portion of the edible clams are the harvested in the Japan and the United States. The quahogs family Renidae, razor clams, and the soft-shelled clams of the class Bivalvia are in the great demand in the markets of the United States. The quahog clams, the mercenaria is harvested in the Gulf of the Mexico and the Gulf of the Florida. The largest clam fishery in the world is the based upon the surf clam, the Spicula solidissima, which is found in the United States. The most favorite American clam is soft-shelled and used as the extensively for the nature of the sweet meat, demandable. Next is the United States, Japan, Malaysia, and the Europe, which consume the large proportion of the clams. Mainly the cockles are the harvested in the northwest, Europe, and the Malaysia. In Malaysia, the arc shells are used as the extensively. In India, poor coastal people consume the edible clams. Mostly the edible clam species are Indian or the bay clam and the meretrix, the inflated clams, Catellasias opima, the backwater clam, the meretrix, and these are the some species was found in India, belonging to the family that the Veneridae, the class Bivalvia. They are found in the coastal shallow waters and collected by the hand-picked methods or often use the mechanical devices. Then the edible scallops, the sweet, delicate meat of the scallops held in the high rank to the people of the shellfish, consumers, especially to the government and the people of the United States, Japan, and the Southern Australian consume large amount of the scallop meat. The deep sea scallop, the Placopecten, the Megaloconus is the very popular in the east coast of the United States. The scallops are also the extensively harvested in the Japan and Australia, and the edible sea mussels and the edible mollusks. In edible sea mussels, mainly include the Mytilus, then the Perena under the family Mylichidae, which remain attached to the rocky substratum by byssal threads. Their European edible mussels, Mytilus edulis, though not the popular in the United States, but in France, it has gained vast popularity. In China, in Chile, the mussels fishing has acquired the front rank among the South American countries along the Pacific coast of the United States. The people do not prefer mussel extensively for the dangerous of paralytic mussels, poisoning in some cases. The people of the West Indies use the meat of the pink conch, the Strombus gigas extensively. In India, the sea mussels, Mytilus is the mainly restricted from the Ceylon of the Kanyakumari in the southwest coast and up to the Tirunelveli districts in Tamil Nadu, southeast coast. The green mussel, the Parna viridis, is found and along with the Mumbai, Ratnagiri, Karwar coast and also in the Cochin, Kerala, that the Tamil Nadu and in some parts of the Odisha. The green mussels not only found in the coastal waters but also in the bayas and the backwaters. The mussels are fished by iron chisels and are kept in the wire bag in the nylon bag or in the nylon bag. The gastropoda includes the number of the species for edible purposes such as the top of shell, the Trachus nicolatus, the turban shell, turbo marmoratus, the wing shell, and the Strombus canarium, the purple shell. So these are the edible cephalopods like the uh, whatever octopus and that the sepia. The edible cephalopods include the cuttlefish, squid, and octopods, and occupy the second place next to the oyster fishing. The vast amount of the octopus are the consumed by the Japanese, the Spaniards, Italians, Australian rains. Over the 8,000 tons of the squids are sold annually in the fish market in the New York City, Washington, and California. The squids are eaten mainly in the Chinese, Italians, and the Spaniards are the Pirato-Rasian. The Australian giant cuttlefish, the Sepia apama, found in the southern part of Australia, is sold in the fish markets for human consumption. The golden cuttlefish Sepia is the fish in the western Japan and the Shatang and the Khoisan province of China. The flesh used as the food in Japan and the Southeast Asian countries. It is caught by the outer trawls and the hooks and the line. The flesh of kislit cuttlefish, sepia lycids is in the great demand of Japan and this. Common cuttlefish sepia occasionally occurs along with the eastern Atlantic form, the Baltic Sea to the South Africa, and the meat is the appreciated food of the in Italy. The eatable squids are predominantly caught by the Mediterranean Sea and the Southeast Asian countries, which are the traditionally the major consumers. The sword tip and the squid Logilo sea occurs in the Western Pacific, Philippines, Islands, and the so on. So, students, the mollusca has so many high economic importance. The number of the animals or number of the organisms or the edible in the whole world, including the India, well market demandable is there, and it has the high medicinal value. It's the rich in the calcium material, rich in the protein, rich in the vitamins. So they are used in various cancer-like treatments and the heart diseases, in the filling the healing the wounds and the surgeries. The bisal thread is used in the surgery. So the people's uh, now they are shifted toward the cultivation and the harvesting of the mollusk to getting earning the money. This is the new job opportunities into the marine fishery or the somewhat the riverine fishery. There is the collection of these the pearl oysters, pearl line, and make the pearl industry. The cultivation of the pearl at the home is the possible for to getting the earning the money. So students, we are now go to the stop the